Hi, Gemini, Sun, and Rising. So I'm keeping things short and sweet this month with a one-card pull. And your tarot card theme for July is the King of Swords. Now, Gemini, the King of Swords upright speaks of intellect, logic, and ambition. Do you resonate with these keywords currently? To me, the King of Swords is similar to the Emperor in its masculine energy. There's no playing around when either the King of Swords or the Emperor appears in a reading. Now, for you, the head overrules the heart this month. If you have not already, it's time to get serious in the area of your life that is your current focus, whether this is love, education, career, or finances. Now, you may be inspired to make some important decisions this month or to implement some changes. Now, you won't have a problem with this, Gemini, because the answer is clear once you remove the extraneous fodder and deal with the truth of the matter. Make your decision and stick with it. The King of Swords does not go back on his word. If you are currently in a group, you may be the one who takes the initiative to get the ball rolling on a project or idea, or you may be up for a promotion or some other leadership role. This card can also indicate enrolling in higher education or a career path in medicine, law, technology, research, science, or other similar fields that have an emphasis on the intellect. Now, if the King of Swords is a person of authority that you are dealing with this month, know that they are going to respond favorably to facts and figures. So structure your discussion or presentation accordingly for the best results. On the home front, consider organizing your space and decluttering, which will clear up your physical and mental space. Now, this tarot card is a combination of the energies of ambitious, results-oriented Capricorn and progressive Aquarius, both of which correspond to the planet Saturn. Now, Saturn in our astrology charts reflects where we need to put in the work to make a goal a reality and shows us what area of our life would benefit from us applying the qualities of discipline, structure, and self-control. Saturn often gets a bad rap because it can be a harsh teacher. It is also the planet of karma, after all, but it also encourages us to transmute our limitations into our greatest achievements. So you may want to consider looking up your astrology chart online and finding where Saturn is located in your personal chart. It is retrograde in the sign of Pisces currently, which offers you an opportune window of time to reflect on your future path, carefully consider decisions, break cycles that are not serving your best interest, and augment structural changes before it goes back direct in mid-November. So Gemini, I know your reading this month had quite a serious focus to it, but that's how it is when the King of Swords shows up. I hope you found these messages helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Gemini, and I wish you the best for the month of July.